Let's write 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. These are powers of 2. And negative powers of 2, 1 over 2, 1 over 4. Let's do addition. 16 times 1, 16 plus 8 times 0, 0 plus 4 times 1, 4 plus 2 times 1, 2 plus 1 times 1, 1 plus 1 over 2 times 1, 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 times 1, 1 over 4. If we do addition, let's equalize the denominators. 20, 23. 23 plus 3 over 4. It is 23 and 3 over 4 as a mixed number. The answer is B. 0.9 bar is 1. You need to know this. And 0.6 is 6 over 9 plus, let's equalize the denominators, 21 over 9. Then plus 6. Over 1, we don't need to write, so I didn't write it. 27 over 9 plus 6 is equal to 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. The answer is C. 1 times 2, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 over 2 times. 1 times 3, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 over 3. 1 times 4, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 over 4 times 1 times 100. 100 minus 1, 99. 99 over 100. Simplification time. 2 over 2, 3 over 3, 99 over 99. 4 and 4 goes. What is the remaining? On the numerator we have 1. On the denominator we have 100. 1 over 100. The answer is C. There are two groups in this question. One of them is the denominator 2, the other is with denominator 3. 1 over 2 plus 3 over 2 plus 23 over 2. The other is 2 over 3 plus 4 over 3 plus 24 over 3. Let's organize them. 1 plus 3 plus 23 over 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 24 over 3. Let's remember Gauss formulas. How many terms are there? There are 12. So it is 12 squared 144 over 2 plus, how many terms are there? 12. This is 12 times 13 over 3. And it's equal to 72 plus, let's do simplification, 52 is equal to 124. Remember the Gauss formula, it is E. This is substitution question. 3x minus 4, 3x minus 4 are same, so A is 3x minus 4. This means a squared minus 7a plus 10 is equal to 0. If you factorize it, a minus 5 times a minus 2 is equal to 0. A is 5, a is 2. This means 3x minus 4 is equal to 5. 3x minus 4 is equal to 2. And this means x is 3 and x is 2. The answer is C. x1 times x2 is equal to 8 in this question. This means x1 is 2x2. 2x2 times x2 is equal to 8. x2 squared is equal to 4. This means x2 can be 2 or minus 2. x1 is double of it or twice of it. It may be 4 or it may be minus 4. What is m? M is related to sum of the roots. x1 plus x2 is equal to 2m in this question, and m is x1 plus x2 over 2. 6 over 2 or minus 6 over 2. M can be 3 or minus 3. Sum of the roots is 6 or minus 6, or M is 3 or minus 3. The answer is B. In this question, we are going to use a formula. A plus B cube is equal to A cube plus B cube plus 3AB times A plus B. This is related to sum and multiplication. Let's use it small. What is the square of this expression? X plus 1 over x minus 2 times root of x times 1 over root of x is equal to 5. This means x plus 1 over x is equal to 7. X times 1 over x is equal to 1, obviously. Let's use the formula on the right side. X plus 1 over x to the power of 3 is equal to x cubed plus 1 over x cubed plus 3 times x times 1 over x times x plus 1 over x. Totally, let's see the answer. 7 cubed is 343 is equal to x cubed plus 1 over x cubed plus, what is x times 1 over x? It is 1. 3 times 1 times 7. And what are we looking for? X cubed plus 1 over x cubed is equal to 343 minus 21. And it's equal to 322. The answer is D. Let's start to simplify. Numerator is x minus y square. X minus y square over 2x times x parenthesis x plus y over 6 times x times y times 3x over x minus y times x plus y, difference between squares. Simplification time. X plus y has gone. X and x has gone. X and x has gone. 1 of x minus y has gone. Totally, what do we have? 3 times x minus y over 2 times 6, 12y. If we do simplification, it is x minus y over 4y. The answer is B. We have a number with 6 digits and it is divisible by 11. 3 minus 4 plus key minus 4 plus 1 minus 5 must be multiple of 11. Let's calculate. Minus 4 minus 4 minus 8 minus 13 minus 10 minus 9. Minus 9 plus key is equal to multiple of 11. It can be 0. Key is 9. Don't forget that k is a digit. Key is a digit. Then it can be only D. In this notation, A is 2 key, B is 3 key, C is 4 key. Then 2A is 4 key minus 3B is 9 key, 5C is 20 key is equal to 30 given in the question. 24 minus 9, 15. 15 key is equal to 30. Key is 2. This means A is 4, B is 6, C is 8. Totally, root of A plus B plus C, 4 plus 6 plus 8 is equal to root of 18. Root of 18 is basically 3 root of 2. The answer is E.